Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if text on your iPhone looks too large, inconsistent, or you previously enabled accessibility text options, you can turn size or text size adjustments off and return everything to the default system size. In iPhone settings 2026, this takes just a few steps. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to turn off the text size changes on your iPhone in 2026 like a pro. So first thing first, go to settings. So this is where all display and accessibility options are managed. Okay, so scroll down and tap disable display and brightness. So now tap text size. You will see the text size slider at the bottom. Okay, so move the slider to the middle if you want. This is the default position. Okay, this one, middle. Once centered, system text returns to normal size. Apps use standard font scrolling. No enlarged text remains. So changes apply instantly. Okay, so if text is still large, go to settings, go to accessibility, disable display and text size and larger text. So turn off larger accessibility size. This fully disables extra large text. If only some apps still show large text, go to settings again, to go to accessibility and per app settings. Remove apps that have custom text size settings. This restores default size per app. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.